that you have are specially blessed, and that is why they have been able to come to, first of all, Vrindavan, and also to Prabhupada's shelter here in this great temple. And you will see the history being made as the time goes on. As I told you, 70 floors temple, 70 मंजिला temple होगा, और ये जो है ये south wing है, तो this is about 7-8 floors, and then we have the north wing, west wing, east wing which will come, and the central tower which will go for 700 feet, 700 feet ऊंचा जाएगा, 210 मीटर और 70 मंजिला होगा. यहाँ से आगरा 63 किलोमीटर दूर है, वहाँ से इसका शिखर दिखेगा. सो जो चक्र है जो ऊपर है वो आगरा से दिखेगा. सो हमारे ओल्डन टाइम्स में, हमारे एंशिएंट टाइम्स में, एवरीथिंग हैड अ रीजन. नथिंग वाज जस्ट फॉर शो ऑफ. एवरीथिंग हैड अ साइंटिफिक रीजन. व्हेन somebody sees the chakra from far distance also, the chakra will be directly above the altar. So it is as good as connecting with the Lord. So बार बार कोई टेम्पल नहीं आ सकता है, केवल दूर से चक्र देख लिया. इन जगन्नाथपुरी many people don't enter the temple, दूर से चक्र देखते हैं, हो गया दर्शन. So something like that. So in the busy world, everybody cannot come to the temple every day, but every day you can take the darshan from wherever you are. And today technology is you can have online darshan, online arati. So it can be used for these good purposes. So, and regarding the special meet that we have today, I congratulate all the parents, all the grandparents for taking this initiative of bringing your special children here. There are also special parents to take the blessings of the Lord. No better way than wishing good for the child than getting the blessings of the Lord. And the parents also require blessings, yes, because you'll have to handle them. And I have been a dentist. So मैं professionally dentist था, and I've done my masters. So I've been more or less I have knowledge of what is this particular spectrum and how it affects the child and what are the challenges the child faces and also the parents face, and how the society views them, how the country treats them. So all this I am aware. So it's a very good initiative that people from your foundation have come together, parents, and have started trying to create awareness, because it's not about only your child. You have given the message that it is not only about your child. It is about every other child also, every other parent also. So these initiatives, people who take these initiatives must be truly appreciated, because life, mostly we will live with our troubles. हमारा troubles हमारे लिए है. So we don't want to get involved with other things. Very few people, try to take it to a larger scale, thinking about other people. So autism, I was talking to Tulika ji, and hyperactive deficit, hypertension, the syndrome. So virtually similar characteristics, but with differences, which we know that it is with the deficit syndrome. It is basically it's all about attention, but with autism, it's also having social behavioral, we can say challenges. I will not use the word issues. There are challenges, and I will not use the word disorder. So I will just keep it as autism spectrum. So we all know that for all the other parents who will listen to this message, it's a spectrum which is from very mild to a greater extent, and that requires that the society be more understanding, the parents be more tolerant and understanding, without having to curse our karma when people tell, because insensitive people will try and come and try to pinch you. It's karma, losses. It may, yeah, yes, karma is there, but then I will handle this with the blessings of the Lord, with proper guidance, and by being together, we can all handle this. So, I'm just trying to read out something. So, in our ancient wisdom, we are taught that every soul is divine. आत्मा, हम सब आत्मा है, सब unique है, दिव्य है. So the sacred teachings of our dharma, Sanatana Dharma, which we have gone away from, reminds us that each child who comes into this world carries a spark of divine with them. Every child, me, you, challenged, not challenged, we are all part and parcel of the Lord. हम सब भगवान श्री कृष्ण के अंश हैं. He is Mata, Data, Pitamaha. So, some children learn, speak or experience the world differently. So, कुछ बच्चों को कुछ challenges आ जाती हैं. So, and among them are the children with the particular spectrum that these children have, autism. So, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इनमें कुछ कमी है. It is not that they are lacking something, because I read about some spectrum autism children who have done great things, unimaginable things, who achieved good things in life. So there is always a great hope for all of you. So they are simply expressing, all these children, what they are doing, they are simply expressing their views, and they're leading a life in a slightly different way. And as parents, and maybe as neighbors, as well-wishers, as citizens, we need to empathize with them. So early understanding and intervention, especially as parents, the most important thing is early intervention, early detection. So कभी भी पेरेंट्स को ऐसा फील नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये सोशल एक इश्यू हो गया, सोशल हमारे लिए डायलेमा हो गया, स्टिग्मा हो गया. हाँ, स्टिग्मा हो गया. कैसे बताएं लोगों को? इट इज योर ओन चाइल्ड. यू हैव टू बी द सपोर्ट फॉर हिम और हर. सो इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट द वर्ल्ड थिंक्स. स्लोली दे विल कम our way, especially when they see that the parents are strong and they have taught their children culture, and they have lived their life facing the challenge and made the child a worthy citizen. So that should not be a hesitation for any of you parents to come out and ask for help, to seek help for the child. And you should also encourage all other children whom you come across, their parents, to be able to talk about it, come together and deal with it as a group. So as a group you will synergize, you will build upon each other's strength. So lastly I would like to address that the families who are raising